The great thing about MP Skin is that you get to create one single tour that has all of the languages within just the same link. So here at the very top, you can see that the URL contains the English parameter, but with just a few clicks, we can go and switch the entire tour to German, for example. Or for any French users that might be here on the call, you can also change it to French, of course, or to any language that you would like there to be. And the handy thing about MP Skin is that rather than you having to input all of this different language content manually and spending all that time doing the translations, you can actually do all of this right in the backend itself. So here we see the main overview page for one of the skins. This is the museum one that I showed at the very beginning. And down here, you can see that you have a selection of different languages. So say we want to add French to this tour. What we do is we just select French. First of all, we hit save, and then we can make use of our auto translate feature. Now, this can work in just a few seconds, and the way it works is that we select the language that we would like the content to be translated from. In this case, I'm going to choose English, and then we select what language we would like to translate the content to. We also can choose which types of content should be translated, and if there should be an overriding taking place. Say, for example, you have a couple specific names where you know it's supposed to be a very specific name in a different language, then you can, of course, input that content beforehand and then leave this option blank. In this case, we've just added the language, so we don't need to do that. And now we just hit the translate button, and that's it. Took less than 5 seconds. And now when we go, for example, to the tags where we see all the different tags, or maybe we have a look at the menu where we see the full content, we've got a whole new language added with really no extra effort other than you having to add that language. So that saves you a ton of time and gives you a great new feature or a great, extra added value that you can pass on to the clients.